Alright, so this here with me is the Vivobook S14 OLED 2022 by ASUS. So friends, this is Hastech and I was looking for a good thin and light under a budget laptop for my daily personal use, and I decided to go with the ASUS Vivobook. And this is powered by latest Intel EVO Core i5 12th generation, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, Windows 11 out of the box. And the most unique feature about this laptop being the display. It has got a OLED panel, a 14-inch OLED panel with 90 Hz of refresh rate, and this is Pantone validated as well. Basically, it's heaven for designers. So without wasting any more further time, let's get ahead to its unboxing. The Vivobook plus environment. Apparently, they are choosing to save environment, I guess. Go green, save green. Yes. Let's keep the laptop aside for a minute and let's have a look what we get inside the box. And in the box we get some legal gibberish, I guess. In search of incredible, a FAQ guide like the SAR frequencies and stuff like that, copyright information, liability claims, and let's keep it aside. Let's have a look at the user manual, and we also get this pamphlet. Yeah, let's keep it aside as well. Also, ASUS is offering like extended 2-year warranty at just 999 Indian rupees, which is another great offer. And yeah, let's keep aside the manual. Oh, what do we get here? This is an envelope. ASUS Vivobook Wow the World hashtag. Let's open it. What do we get inside this envelope? All right, we get some stickers. Cool. Let's have a look at them. Uncage your potential. Ditch the load. Okay, it's the trap. Wow the world. Save the world. Go green. Be true. Then explore more. Shout. Alright, so these were the stickers. Yeah, one can stick a bomb the laptop, I guess, with the help of these. We also get our main power cable and a charging brick. Now, one of the neat part about this charging brick is it's got a 90-watt power brick with Type-C adapter. Yep, you can charge your say iPad or phone, which I'm going to definitely. So basically, if you're traveling, you just need to take this and you don't need your other Type-C adapters. So yeah, that was another reason for me to choose this laptop, because of the Type-C Thunderbolt charging. We do not get anything else in the box. So yeah, keeping the box aside, let's have a look at today's celebrity, which is our main laptop. Also, one of the important features about this laptop is this features a H version of the Intel i5 processor, and the H version here means one of the best mobile grade Intel's processors. And from the very first impression about this laptop, the color is just awesome. It looks really professional. Also, the weight density seems a bit higher for a 14-inch laptop. This weighs approximately 1.5 kilograms, so they could have reduced the weight a bit. But yeah, it definitely looks professional. So you can just get this and go to meetings without any problem. Wow, the screen is really glossy. We also get a red colored escape key, and this is not a full-size keyboard, but which is common for a 14-inch laptop. And from the looks of it, it does not hold any charge out of the box. So let's have a look at the back. We can see two fans for the ventilation here. We also get two bottom firing speakers, which we will test about in a bit. Let's talk I/O now. On the right side, we get one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, which supports display as well as power delivery, one HDMI 2.0 port, which is all great on the right side at least. But on the left side, there is a bit of disappointment. It's got a single USB 2.0 Type A port and nothing else on the left side, and no more ports basically, which is really sad. They could have just given a Type-C port or a USB 3.0 port, but why that sad USB 2.0 port and just a single port? I mean, they could have just given one Thunderbolt on the left and one Thunderbolt on the right. It would have been just great, depending upon where your power plug comes from, and that would have saved some hassle. But yeah, that is a bit of disappointment, but it's all right. It also has a 70 watt hours of lithium ion battery with a chiclet style keyboard. Alright, now I have charged my laptop, I've connected it to the power. Let's try to set it up and let's see which type of options or bloatware does it provides us. So this is definitely going to be long, so just have a look at the timestamps and whether you want to watch this part or not. It's totally up to you, you can just skip ahead. So yeah, let me just connect to Wi-Fi now. It will check for updates for a bit. It really took a while. I literally got bored. Now this is the licensing agreement. Now this is the licensing for Microsoft as well as the McAfee. The second one is of McAfee and I don't see any option to decline. I mean, what if I don't want McAfee installed on my laptop? Well, you just don't get any option to not install McAfee. I mean, this is kind of wrong, but alright, we are going to uninstall it at the end. So yeah, let me just type in the name of my device that I'm going to use. And yeah, easy. This is definitely a custom ASUS skin on top of Windows 11. Let's set up our fingerprint. Alright, so the fingerprint is all set up now. I mean, they should just make a norm like a fingerprint reader on a laptop. It is a really useful thing. And let's just decline everything that Windows 11 wants to track us. No bro, I don't want to give you all my information. I will only let Facebook have it without asking me. Alright, so I will just skip it because I don't want Windows 11 to customize the experience and make it worse for me. Why do I hate Microsoft so much? Alright, OneDrive. Again, Microsoft gives us no option to decline OneDrive, so apparently it is compulsory, but we will uninstall it later on, don't worry. Alright, your Office comes with the device. Yeah, we get a student variant of Office, so we will get Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, which is a good thing to have. Also, this laptop features a 180-degree hinge. This is really good. Yeah, a really good to have feature. A physical webcam shield, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, nano edge display, blah blah blah. Yeah, let's turn it back on. And alright, this is a support and protection for ASUS. So yeah, I will just have my product registered and I don't want any emails from McAfee or ASUS. Why would I? Checking for updates. Again, this is the second time my laptop is checking for updates. It took really long. For the setup, I've just trimmed the parts where it took long. But yeah, my laptop is all set up now. We are good to go. Let's have a look at the bloatware we get. But yeah, on the very first impression, the colors really look punchy. I mean, you can just tell that, yeah, this is a OLED panel. You can see a clear difference. Although it is glossy, like you can see the reflection. But yeah, it's got an Intel i5-12500H, clocked at 2.5 GHz. Let's go to control panel and uninstall some of our programs that we get. Alright, so DTS audio processing, which can be uninstalled, but we will keep it. GlideX, again a ASUS bloatware. It can be used to extend a screen. And this is a McAfee. This I will definitely uninstall because Windows Defender is a good tool. You can of course use a third-party antivirus, which is much better than McAfee. I mean, use like Bitdefender, AVG, Malwarebytes, but not McAfee. I just hate them. I don't know why. Alright. Also, if you can see, there are just too many Microsoft OneNotes and Microsoft Office. I mean, yeah, I only need the English version. Why is there are Indonesian, Vietnamese and other versions? So yeah, this is going to take long, but I will uninstall them one by one. And uninstalling this also takes a lot of time. Don't worry, we have to fix ASUS's mistakes. And this is the My ASUS app. We will keep this for a while. And then Screen Expert, another ASUS bloatware, Tile, web advisor by McAfee. I don't want you, bro. Please go out from my laptop. No, just uninstall it. Alright, done. Good. So, okay, not much of a bloatware as compared to a Dell laptop. If you have a look at a new Dell laptop, I mean, come on, that will have like double this amount of bloatware. It still has much bloatware, which they can of course reduce, but yeah, a good step. So yeah, this was it, me uninstalling the bloatwares. And this is the office. Let's have a look at our display settings. This is the default color profile. Use HDR, we can just switch to HDR, and non-HDR I will keep it non-HDR. It will give us better battery life. And scale, it is a 2K display. This is not a 1080p display. It is a 16 by 10 aspect ratio display. And yeah, it looks all right. Oh, this is by default set at 60 Hz. Let me just change that to 90 Hz. I mean, why not? Keep changes. So basically, whenever there is a bright content on the display, you won't see the glossiness. But whenever there is a dark content on the display, you will definitely notice that, yeah, this display is definitely glossy. Now, this laptop has many things that we can discuss, but this was supposed to be a simple unboxing and an initial hands-on video. Now, if you want to have a look at the full review, the sound quality, the touchpad, the processor, the compute power, just let me know in the comments and I will definitely create a full review video about the same. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.